Mr. Speaker, with pleasure I introduce Carol Woods of the Washington Archibald High School, recipient of a Remarkable Teen Award in the category of writing. Goal-oriented and compassionate, she asserts that writing is an avenue for expression, especially for persons who are timid and do not relish public speaking. In addition to being a prerequisite for most courses of study, Woods see writing and a proclivity towards English as a way to influence what is happening around us. In this arena, Carol is much accomplished. She is published on Wattpad with words including Just Another Black Girl, in addition to 5 works on episodes. It is an aspiration of Carol to eventually be published on Amazon and to bring about an end to racism. In addition to her own innate sense of compassion, Woods was motivated and informed by her academic experiences. Inspired by the ills of the world learned in social studies, Carol gravitates to violence and social justice. May it please you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Jalen. The Honorable Minister of State and Senator Wendy Phipps, if you may.
Mr. Speaker, with your leave, I rise with pleasure to congratulate all 25 remarkable teens this evening who are being recognized for various accomplishments and areas of endeavors in their young lives. However, my task tonight is to focus on just one individual, who is Miss Carol Woods, the profile of whom we have just heard. It is evident from what has been written and what has been said that Miss Woods is an individual who relishes writing as an outlet for creativity and personal expression. I find it interesting that her preferred subject matter are those topics that affect the human condition, such as love, such as death, such as violence, such as the imperative for social justice. I would like to commend her for continuing along that track, because unfortunately we do not have too many individuals in St. Kitts and Nevis who normally venture out in the area of writing. We do have some small examples, but there's a lot more room for that in terms of expression. And with the prevalence of social media, we can put it to even better use by persons such as Ms. Woods, who would have chosen to use it for inspiration rather than destructive endeavors, as we so often see. I note from her profile that Ms. Woods is intent on having a career in medicine focused on the health of children or women, based on what is written here. I commend her again in that endeavor going forward. I would like to admonish Ms. Woods this evening, as someone who enjoys literature and enjoys writing myself, that she should keep up her writing. St. Kitts and Nevis is yet to be counted among the fortunate nations that would have had its citizens rise to the level of being recipients of major writing accomplishments, such as the Nobel Prize for Literature or the Booker Prize, which was recently awarded just about a week ago to a Scottish writer. I would admonish her to keep writing. Write as an outlet to get it out of your system and to encourage other people. At the same time, I commend you for going forward, focusing on the centrality of God in your life, because you could never fail with Him. So with those words, Mr. Speaker, I congratulate Carol Woods on being recognized in 2020 as one of 25 remarkable teens in the area of writing.